back with another layout, and today I'm scrapping this cute picture of M number 4, and he's playing with the hose with his swim diaper on a hot summer day. And now that I look at it, I don't think I ever labeled what date that picture was from, so I will have to do that because that definitely needs to go in an album with a date on it. So anyway, I am going to start out using that kind of blue paper, which is kind of like looks like a pool because he's standing next to their little blow up pool, or their big blow up pool actually. That is from Photo Play Summer Bucket List, and it's the Splish Splash paper. And then I'm going to back that on that red paper, which is the Photo Play Summer Bucket List Popcorn Popping. It's the Ray paper. I'm using a plaid scrap. I don't know where that's from. And then that green paper is Doodlebug Petite Prints in the Citrus Gingham Linen, which I had a scrap from the last layout I did actually. So anyway, so I'm looking at using some chipboard here. That chipboard is from the summer piece, the title is from the Bella Boulevard Chow Chip Island Escape, and then these glasses are from the Photo Play Summer Daydreams adhesive chipboard. And then that tag that says Yay Summer is a scrap. I don't know where that came from. It's old. So I've been using up some really old stuff lately. So Bella Boulevard for the summer title, and then the Photo Play for the sunglasses. And because these pieces are pretty impactful, you know, lots going on with the plaids, with the big sunglasses, that tag which really draws your eye in, and I liked that position there because it draws your eye to him because there's so much going on. I'm going to add more chipboard again. I don't have to do a ton more embellishing here just because the pieces that are there are super impactful. And that is lovely. It's a, you know, fairly quick layout that way. I think including choosing papers, it was like 23 minutes, and it usually takes me about 10 minutes to choose the papers and that kind of stuff. So then I am adding that, what do I want to say? The whirly thing. I can't think of what it is. Pinwheel. The pinwheel is from that Photo Play paper as well too. And I have to glue this back on. I just looked at it and it's actually coming off a little bit. I don't think I glued that. Usually I glue my chipboard down because it's untrustworthy. And then I have that other little pinwheel up there from that Summer Daydreams collection too, and I like that. And it does say summer right now, but I'm thinking I want something else here, and I think I want to play with the title a little bit here. So I'm going to use these green letters here to spell out the word sweet, and then I'll grab another. My idea is to do the title in 3 different colors. So the chipboard and then 2 colors of the LE Studio Puffy Alphas. They release those almost on a monthly basis in different colors. So like that green is probably not available anymore. Just kind of, if you like them, you have to get them when you see them. And honestly, I usually buy 2 packs. Yes, I have way too many of those LE Studio Alphas. Okay, so there's that one. And then I found this yellow as well. So I'm kind of playing off a little bit the colors in the plaid because the summer's the pink, and then I have the green and the yellow. The background is that really great red. I love that Sunray paper. That can be really hard to use though, but I really like it as a border. It does a lot of that, you know, towards really helping draw your eye into the layout. So there's the word sweet. All right. With my head in the way, I'm having a hard time getting these letters lined up a little bit. Okay. Then I'm going to go to my, sorry for shaking the camera there. I always forget to take my enamel dots out. I have that, those Queen and Company dots, and they're in that citrusy green color, and those are called Rubber Bubbles. And I don't know if they're still available. These are old too. As is most of my stash, because I'm scrapping from my stash now. I'm trying not to, I did buy things for Christmas, but other than that, I'm really trying not to buy things because I have a great stash. And it's just doing it because I want to use my stash up. I did such a great job doing that during the beginning of the pandemic from like September to April, and then I went on a buying spree that didn't stop for a while. So, all right, last but not least there, I'm going to take I have an old cigar box there, and I'm going to grab some twine. That yellow twine is from American Crafts, actually. It's on a spool there. And then just trying to get that to stick in there. It's hard sometimes when you don't have very long fingernails. I usually put a little glue there so it stays on. All right, guys, here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.